How to delete undeletable files and folders in your Windows. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. In order to do so let's just get started. So what you can do is basically go ahead and find the folder that you would like to delete. For example, let's say for only example. So once you find the folder that is undeletable, you need to try the method which is changing the permission. So what we can do is basically find the folder, right click on it, go over and find the option called properties, which should be available like this. So click on properties, open it up, and you may just go to security tab and go ahead and click on edit. After you click on edit, you may just go ahead and select your own name and then click on this option. So if this deny full control etc option are turned on, you may just turn it off, and after that click on apply and click on OK, and that should probably give you permission to delete the file. So you can just go ahead and try deleting the file once you do so. Now, if that method doesn't work, the next thing you can do is just go over and open up CMD, go to the search, type in CMD, and run it as administrator, like this. And once you run it as administrator, what you may do is you may just head over and here type in cd space /d, and then you're just gonna go ahead, right click on your folder, go over the properties, find the file location, and you're just gonna go ahead and copy and paste this. After you copy it, you can just go ahead and paste it here, and there we go. After that, hit enter, and once you do so, here just go ahead and type in rmdir r space q s /q/s. After that, hit enter, and once you do so, you can just go ahead and type in rmdir at the very last. So you can just go ahead and follow up the process, or you may just go ahead and type in, first of all, dir space x, hit enter, and there it will show you your file location. After that, you can type in rmdir and type in the file locations. So you can type in /q/ after that space /s, and the file's location may be in exe form, so just go ahead and enter it up inside there, and that should automatically delete your folder. Third is you can just go ahead and try rebooting your system entirely, and that should also help you with the issue. So those are the solutions you can follow up if you'd like to delete the undeletable files and folders in your Windows. So that's it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.